Hi guys, this is Zuski from R.V.C Tech here, and I'm back again with another video. So, I had to give up my Samsung S7 Edge for the HTC 10. Don't get me wrong, the S7 Edge is really a good smartphone, but this is what made me switch to the HTC 10. HTC 10 has a premium look and feel with all-round metal build. Dropping this phone will not have a big impact since it's metal built, and I'm pretty sure it will age well as well. The S7 Edge, on the other hand, is glass. So when you drop it, you'll have to think how much it's gonna cost you to repair it. Good thing it is IP68 unlike the HTC 10. HTC 10 has a 2K Super LCD screen. This means it will produce sharp text, but most important, the colors are vibrant and very realistic. So, viewing photos will actually give you the exact real-life colors. The S7 Edge also has a 2K but with Super AMOLED screen. You will also get sharp text, but the colors are really saturated, which doesn't give you the realistic color saturation when you're viewing photos or videos. The HTC feels snappier. Just see how fast it is in unlocking. The overall performance in opening apps is also fast compared to S7 Edge. No lags when switching or opening apps. S7 Edge is also snappy, but just not as the HTC 10. HTC did a good job by removing bloatwares. By the way, I just received Android 8 on HTC 10. If you wanna see that, stay tuned for my next video. Anyway, most of the applications come pre-installed are Google-based like Music Player, Chrome, Google Photos, and so on. Samsung on the other hand, 2 music players, 2 gallery options, 2 web browser, and you know where I'm heading to. Just too many bloatwares. HTC 10 has the best media consuming experience. With the inbuilt DAC, you just get awesome sound quality whether through headphones or the speakers. Just awesome sound quality, period. S7 Edge is not bad when listening to music, but it's not the best out there. Furthermore, it just has one speaker, so if you cover that grill, poor sound is the result. Samsung S7 Edge is not really bad, and some of the things I'm gonna miss include the always on display is really amazing. You can view all the necessary information without waking up the device. With the HTC 10, you have to wake up the device, which is not something I would like to do every now and then. Battery life of the S7 Edge was just perfect for me. I'm able to get through the day with heavy use. With the 3600 mAh battery, the Super AMOLED also plays a really big role. With HTC 10, I'm managing to get the entire day with moderate use. The 3000 mAh battery is just okay for the phone. Camera may be something, but not really a big deal because the HTC 10 also has an awesome camera, though I can't really compare it with the S7 Edge, maybe in low light. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Ta-da!